Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Peggy from One Court, and today I'll be taking down my Christmas decorations and doing a little reset. If you haven't already subscribed, you can hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that next time I upload a video you are aware. And without further ado, let's get into it. I'll have to say this tree is my absolute favorite so far out of all the trees that I've ever decorated, simply because it's unique. I would call it a statement piece. It really is very unique. And yeah, really loved it. And looking forward to how I will style. Actually, I already had an idea of what I was going to style this tree this year on until I saw those poinsettias in Hobby Lobby and completely changed my mindset of what the tree was going to be like. So I think I'm going to stick with the original plan that I had for this year for next year by God's grace. Dining room tree is done. Typically, I group my ornaments according to colors. So every year I tell myself, Peggy, let's start decorating early, like sometime in October, but for some reason, I never really get to it until November, really. But I'm hoping next year things will be different and I can start early so that by December I've enjoyed, having all the beautiful decorations, and end of the year I can pack up and have a clean slate for the new year. So we'll see how that goes. Fingers crossed. I love getting pieces, accent pieces for my home that are very unique and chic, stylish. And this glass vase from Z Gallery fits the bill. I really love how, unique it is and how versatile. And I will show you how I style it all throughout the year for the different seasons. So looking forward to that. I used command strips to hold my garland in place around my mirror, and it's so easy to take off. Just pull right there and it comes off easily and doesn't leave any residue or peel your wall, so it's very great. I typically like to store my ribbons in Ziploc bags to keep them well protected. I really love the neutral look of this tree this year, and who knows, I might keep it neutral next year with a pop of color. We'll see. But it was a beautiful, beautiful tree. Usually, my husband helps me take the tree apart, especially this 9-foot tree apart, and helps me store it away. But this year, I wanted to try to do it myself, and boy, was I in for a shock. It was really, really difficult. It was heavy and really difficult to pull apart, but I did it, as you can see. It was hard, but I did it. So, yay me. And here I am, all covered in flock from head to toe in my hair, everywhere, but I did it. And that's the most important thing. So, yes, I'm so proud of myself. So this tree came with its own bag. It's from King of Christmas, which made it so easy to store away. So there you have it. My kitchen was in a bit of a mess, so I just quickly swept and mopped it up so it's all clean and shiny. I'll link all my cleaning supplies in the description box. This black and white throw blanket is another gorgeous piece from Z Gallery. Love how luxe it looks and very elegant. I'm completely gaga about all things Greek key, so this Greek key floor lamp is a favorite of mine. A simple, elegant coffee table styling with items I already have in my home, such as this black and gold vase. I actually DIY'd that. If you want to have a look at how I did that, check my previous videos and let me know what you think, and if you'll try to create that DIY as well.